And we're back. You guys are probably too young to ever see Good Morning Vietnam. Great movie. Good Morning Vietnam. It was always good. Okay, so this might be driving you nuts that this is different. Let me show you how to fix it if you want to. If you want to keep it like that, is fine. But anyway, for those of you guys who are really picky about your measurements, if you want to do an inch, here's how you do it. So you got to click on your wall. You click on either one, it doesn't matter. You go 12 space 2.5. Now they're both exactly the same. So if you want to change it, you can. If you're not, I don't care. There's no skin off my back. Okay? So I want to make these walls line up now. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to drag this guy up here. So that's in the same place. Oops, not tall enough. Get it into the wall. You don't have spaces in your wall at home. If you do, you got a major problem with your house. Okay. So now that's up. You're sitting pretty. Let's draw the rest of this area up here. I'm just spitballing here, guys. Just guessing my butt off here. All right. So I'm just going to grab this wall and bring it up. You don't make holes for doors. Okay. I'm just going to put this here. I may adjust the bedrooms again based on what I see. I don't know. So I'm going to go over here. It doesn't matter if you're interior, exterior. That doesn't matter in this one. This wall goes all the way over like this. I'm just going to take you. I press escape. I'm going to draw you up like this. Like I said, I am just drawing walls. That's a beam. I don't want that. I pressed the wrong button. I apologize for that. There we go. There's a wall about here. There's this closet right here. This kind of goes over to here and over like this to here. I'll show you how to fix this in a minute. And you're probably confused by now, but that's okay. Draw something that looks similar to this, okay? So just draw this out like this. And actually, this wall here, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take you, I'm just going to drag it down. It's much easier than doing the split and stuff. I'll show you that at another date, okay? So I got my walls laid out. So take a moment, do this. You can pause my video right now, and then you can go from there, okay? Okay, you're back. Let's add measurements. Here we go. So hallway needs a measurement. Let's change these as we do them. That way we're not bouncing around as much. Click this, change this to 3. Common hallway width is 3 feet. Love it. Go like this. Okay, I like nice round measurements. Don't like it when they're all over the place, so I'm going to click this wall here. Let's make this 9 feet. Why? Because I said so. Don't you love whenever your parents say that? Because I said so. I'm not your parent. Now also look at this. All my measurements line up. If yours are wonky like this or like this, please try to line them up. It just makes it look neater, and it's kind of standard, like protocol on this. I'm going to work from the bathroom this way. So I've told you guys this in the past. The average bathtub size is 5 feet. So I'm going to click on this wall, change this here to 5 feet. Okay. I know for a fact this is 2 feet. Why? Because it's a closet. I'm going to teach you something here kind of interesting. So I'll click this wall here. I'm going to change this to 2 feet. Sorry. But in this case, I'm going to lock this in because I don't want this one to change. Because I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of other stuff to this drawing, and I don't want this to change. So just in case I move another wall, that's going to stay put. So let's put another measurement here. Let's put another measurement here. I don't really care how big these are, to be honest. It doesn't matter to me. Move this guy up so they line up. Oh, that looks better. Okay. Our mechanical room is a little bit big, but what do I care? Actually, here's how you're going to change that. Let's click this wall here. Let's make this 9 feet. So let's make this room kind of square. And you see that? That too did not change. Okay. This closet here, I need to fix because this should be 2 feet as well. So I'm going to click this guy right here and make him 2 feet. Okay. Now at this point, if we want to make a change, we could, but I'm kind of happy to see how things are looking right now. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But just for the sake of my own knowledge, let's just put some measurements on here, just so we have them all on. Okay. Ooh, we never measured this. Let's put a measurement in your closet. This I am going to drag down. Now you could, if you wanted to, you could move these things around. So I have freedom to be able to do this if I really wanted to. Let's make this closet 8 feet. Okay. Now we have plenty of room here for my door. So in order to keep things the same, I'm going to put a measurement here, click this, and make this 8 feet as well. Okay. So that's finished. Okay. This side of the house is done. That was easy, wasn't it? Hang on.
That was easy.
That's better. All right. That's how we roll in my class. All right. So let's go over here to the other rest of the house, because we may end up making this shorter. I don't know. So according to our original drawing, our great room, which apparently is great, is about 21 feet or so, and I'm going to keep it around that. I don't want to go too much bigger, which looks like I'm going to have to make my house a little smaller, which is fine. So I'm going to take this guy, and I'm going to shoot him up here about 18 feet, just like we did on the other drawing. Well, it does line up, about right there. So make it try to line up with him, and then press escape. Okay. So I see I have a lot of space here, and watch this, guys. I'm going to take this. I'm just going to slide it over. By the way, the arrows work too. So I'm touching an arrow right now, and every time I touch this arrow, it moves it 6 inches. So left and right, left and right. I'm going to make this about right here, okay? Let's go 40. Yeah, let's go about right there, okay? So, like I said, I'm big on measurements. So we're just going to keep doing this as we go through this. So I'm going to add a measurement from here to here, and I don't like 7/8 of an inch. That doesn't make me feel all good inside. So click this wall here and make this saying 22. Nice round number. Okay. We need to do our walk-in closet and master bath now. I'm going to put this about right here. Or about right there. Okay. I'm going to click this wall and I'm going to bring it out here. There we go. Okay. Let's dimension that. Like I said, try to have your measurements line up. Just makes things a little bit neater. Okay, so I want these to be about equal. Let's go 9 feet. Go 8/10. Should be about close. There we go. Good enough there. If you're really anal and you want to make it 8/10 on this side, just click this wall here and change this to 8/10. That way they're both the same. Okay. Let's go up and down here. Like dish. 13 feet. I can live with that if you can. Okay. I know this is going to be way too tall. But let's see how big this area is, because my master suite might be ginormous, and I don't want. Yes, you like having a big house, but you don't want too much space, and it's way too much space. So I'm going to press escape now and click this wall here, and I'm going to change this to 19 feet. Not a whole lot, but if you're going to fill a room, you don't want to fill it with too much stuff. Okay. Next, we're going to draw in the closet. Boom. About 2 feet out here. I'm going to go right to here. Okay. Once again, add measurements. Standard closet width. You know this. 2 feet. Okay. This I'm going to leave up here because I don't want this to interfere with everything else. But I'll put a dimension here to here. Here we go. Let's go 7 feet on this. Okay. As you remember, the kitchen wall kind of lines up with this. So I'm going to just bring my... I did touch this time. I'm going to bring it up about 3 feet or so. It's going to kind of jump over. And as soon as it jumps, I'm going to click and draw this wall going straight up. Okay. Now, I do want to show you guys something kind of neat, though. let's say I want to draw a wall right here, but I have this kind of like carryover right here, and let's say I don't want it. I do, but I don't this time. I want to show you how to make this a corner. So what I do is if you click the wall right here, it doesn't matter where along the wall you do, and you click this little thing called trim and extend. I can click that, click this, and it rounds that off. I don't want to do that, but I want to show you that anyway. Sorry, I don't know if I'm wasting your time or not, but there you go. So to fix that, of course, you press your Control-Z and you have your little food pantry closet back. So let's draw a wall right here. Oops, that was ugly. Okay, there we go. We got the little closet in there. Okay. Your dimension should be fine on this. Oh, hey, look at this. I worked for about 30 minutes, so it's prompted me to save. Nice feature about this program. So press save. Don't save it in the US Imperial. Please find your H drive. Save it somewhere where you can easily find it. And do not call it Project 1. I will be not happy with you. Let's call this one First Drafting House, because you'll be doing a couple of these. There we go. All right, let's figure out some other measurements. I just want to put these in just so I know how big things are. That's a good measurement. If yours are a tad different from mine, it's not a big deal. Let's put a height on the garage. Garage you can leave whatever size, I don't care. You can put a couple cars in it later, but I don't. Yeah, that's fine. If you want to leave it like that, I could care less. Okay. So your overall outside walls are done. I'm going to stop this video right here while we're at it. So your walls are done. I know, right? It was that easy to make all your walls in your house. Okay. So next video, we'll probably start going over doors and windows, and we'll go from there. I hope you're enjoying this so far. I know I am. Go ahead and click save and move on to the next video. I'm probably not going to make any more today. I know that means nothing to you, but it's the end of the day and it's Friday, so I will make another one sometime next week. Hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye. I'll probably talk to you right now. If you turn around and you can wave at me, I'll probably say hi back. Here we go.